Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to chat on Indeed. So you have to open the Indeed application on the Android device or iOS. So there will be you have to what to gonna do. You will see there are the jobs feeds where you can see the job of your caliber. So which job suits you. So there are you can see the settings, there is no option to contact. So what you have to gonna do, there is the inbox button you will see on the top corner. So you have to, if someone's you applied, so there will be you can chat directly. So there is the one job is Eden Rocks Complex. So I will apply it. So I will message it to directly. So which I want to ask him. So this is in inbox. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.